Have you ever looked into the mirror and whispered, "Where did all that strength go?" You're not alone. For millions of seniors, weakness doesn't arrive overnight. It creeps in slowly, stealing energy, passion, and independence. But what if I told you there are certain foods, natural, powerful foods, that can bring that lost strength back? Yes, nature holds the answers. And today, we'll reveal 7 foods that have helped thousands of seniors feel young again. So sit back, relax, and give yourself these 15 minutes. Because this isn't just about food. It's about getting your life back. As we age, our bodies change. Muscle mass drops, energy fades, bones feel weaker. Even basic tasks start to feel harder. But weakness doesn't have to define your golden years. Not if you nourish your body with the right foods. Foods that rebuild your cells, energize your muscles, and support your heart, bones, and brain. Science has now confirmed what ancient cultures always knew. Food can be medicine. So, let's uncover the 7 miracle foods that every senior should consider adding to their daily routine. Foods that fight fatigue, restore strength, and bring vitality back into your life. 1. Eggs, the perfect protein. Let's start with a humble hero, the egg. Often overlooked, yet packed with nearly 6 grams of high-quality protein, eggs are a powerhouse for seniors. Why does that matter? Because as we age, muscle loss accelerates. It's called sarcopenia, a silent strength thief. But protein fights back, and eggs provide not just protein, but also vitamin D, B12, and choline, essential for nerve function and brain health. Boiled, scrambled, or poached, however you like them, an egg a day can keep weakness away. It's that simple. 2. Spinach, green energy for your cells. Remember Popeye? Turns out he was right all along. Spinach is loaded with iron, magnesium, potassium, and plant-based antioxidants. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles. Magnesium supports your bones and joints. And potassium keeps your heart strong. But more than nutrients, spinach helps rebuild red blood cells, which is crucial if you often feel tired, dizzy, or short of breath. A daily cup of cooked spinach can make a remarkable difference in your energy levels and help you stand taller, walk farther, and feel stronger. 3. Salmon, strength from the sea. Next, let's go to the ocean. Salmon, especially wild-caught, is one of the most healing foods on the planet. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and lean protein. Why is that important? Because omega-3s reduce inflammation, improve joint flexibility, and even enhance brain clarity. For seniors struggling with arthritis pain, fatigue, or foggy thinking, just 2 servings of salmon a week can be life-changing. It's not just fish, it's liquid energy. 4. Almonds and walnuts, nature's brain and body boosters. Tiny but mighty. That's the story of nuts. Almonds are full of vitamin E, fiber, and protein. They help control blood sugar, support skin health, and feed your muscles. Walnuts are brain food. They improve memory, reduce anxiety, and protect against age-related decline. Feeling drained in the afternoon? A small handful of mixed nuts can bring back the spark. Naturally. No sugar, no crash. Just real, sustained energy. 5. Garlic, the ancient healer. For thousands of years, garlic has been used to fight disease, boost strength, and extend life. And modern science confirms it. Garlic improves blood circulation, strengthens the immune system, and even lowers blood pressure. But here's the secret. Garlic helps your cells receive more oxygen. That means more energy, less fatigue, and better endurance for everything from walking to climbing stairs. 1 clove a day, crushed and added to your food, could become your daily shield of strength. 6. Sweet potatoes, the gentle energy source. Tired of sugar spikes and crashes? Meet the sweet potato. Rich in complex carbs, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, sweet potatoes offer slow-burning energy without the sugar crash. They nourish your gut, feed your muscles, and support your immune system. Best of all, they taste delicious and are easy on senior stomachs. A small portion with your lunch or dinner can help keep energy steady throughout the day. 7. Greek yogurt, gut strength, muscle power. Last but not least, Greek yogurt. Why Greek? Because it has double the protein and far more probiotics than regular yogurt. It supports your muscles, boosts your gut health, and strengthens your bones with calcium and vitamin B12. If you're over 60 and struggling with appetite loss or digestion issues, a small cup of Greek yogurt in the morning can set your day up for success. It's not just a snack, it's a strength builder in a bowl. You spent a lifetime caring for others. Now it's time to care for yourself. These foods aren't just nutrition, they're your allies in this next chapter. They won't reverse time, but they will help you feel like yourself again. Stronger, more energetic, more alive. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. Start with just one food a day, then add another. Let your body thank you, one bite at a time. So here's your gentle reminder, dear friend. Aging is natural. Weakness doesn't have to be. You still have stories to tell, memories to make, hands to hold, and laughter to share. Let your food give you the power to live those moments fully. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing with someone who needs this hope today. Because together, we can grow stronger, not just older. Stay strong, stay young at heart, and remember, your best days aren't behind you, they're still waiting.